Your question is Indian Parliament has the power to create a new state under which of the following constitutional provisions? Your options are A. Article 1, B. Article 2, C. Article 3, D. Article 4, or E. Article 5. Right answer is C. Article 3. Your question is which one of the following is empowered to alter the boundaries of states under the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Parliament, B. Lok Sabha, C. President, or D. Supreme Court. Right answer is A. Parliament. Your question is who among the following has the executive power to admit a state in the union or establish new states? Your options are A. Parliament, B. Lok Sabha, C. Political parties, or D. Central government. Right answer is A. Parliament. Your question is with reference to the federal system in India, which of the statements is or are correct? First, states have no right to secede from the union under the Constitution of India. Second, just advocacy of secession will have the protection of freedom of expression. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, or D. neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is A. 1 only. States have no right to secede from the union under the Constitution of India. Your question is after independence, in which year were the Indian states reorganized on the linguistic basis? Your options are A. 1947, B. 1951, C. 1956, or D. 2000. Right answer is C. 1956. Your question is according to Article 1 of Indian Constitution, India is. Your options are A. Group of states, B. Federation of states, C. Confederation of states, or D. The Union of states. Right answer is D. The Union of states. Your question is a bill for the purpose of creating a new state in India must be passed by. Your options are A. A simple majority in parliament and ratification by not less than two-thirds of the states, B. A simple majority in parliament, C. A two-third majority in parliament and ratification by not less than two-thirds of the states, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. A simple majority in parliament. Your question is creation of a new state requires a dash majority for constitutional amendment. Your options are A. Simple, B. Two-third, C. Three-fourth, D. Two-third plus ratification by half of all states, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. Simple. Your question is the consent of dash required for alternating its boundaries according to the constitutional provisions. Your options are A. The state legislatures under house is, B. The chief minister is, C. The state is, or D. The state is not. Right answer is D. The state is not. Your question is union territories in India are administered by. Your options are A. The president, B. The lieutenant governor, C. home minister, or D. administrator. Right answer is A. The president. Your question is which of the following is not possible by a law of parliament under Article 3 of the Constitution? Your options are A. Formation of new states, B. Alteration of areas of states, C. Alteration of boundaries of states, or D. Admission of new states. Right answer is D. Admission of new states. Your question is assertion A. India is not a union. Reason are Union Parliament has the power to alter the area, boundary, and name of any state even without its consent. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Code A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false, or D. A is false but R is true. Right answer is D. A is false but R is true.